Greetings, my name is Flood the Drummer, CEO of Textbook Online Corporation. And lately in the media, I've been labeled a terrorist due to my statements and actions towards the Philadelphia School District. I do not apologize for anything that I did. However, I am not a terrorist. I am simply an advocate for education reform. And by any means necessary, I will force people to take it seriously. I would like to thank our partners at Cymbals. I don't know if you guys ever played these cymbals, but they're simply amazing. Our local barbershop, Sheer Talent, definitely support us in what we're doing. Zap Technologies and Visine Holdings, want to give a great shout out to them. And I'm just going to play a simple solo for you guys and let you guys know I am back in Philly and I'm working hard to reform education here on our students' behalf. Thank you.